The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Woodford County, northwestern McLean County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Danvers, or 11 miles west of Bloomington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bloomington and Carlock around 2:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Normal and Hudson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 55 between mile markers 160 and 168. Interstate 74 between mile markers 120 and 130. The following is a summary of watches